Welcome to Digant E Academy. Here we go with the 50 important GK question and answers on Indian history, which helps you to score more marks in any competitive exams. Friends, for more videos, subscribe our channel and press bell button. The first question is, Geeta Govinda, the famous poem, was written by Jayadeva, Jayachandra, Jayavardhana, Jayaraj. The right answer is Jayadeva. Option A, Jayadeva. Next question. Who wrote Siddhanta Shiromani? Options: Varahamihira, Brahmagupta, Aryabhatta, Bhaskaracharya. The right answer is Bhaskaracharya. Bhaskaracharya wrote Siddhanta Shiromani. Next question. Muhammad Ghazni invaded India 17 times between 920 to 950 AD, 900 to 1050 AD, 1000 to 1026 AD, 1026 to 1056 AD. The right answer is 1000 to 1026 AD. Next question. Whose philosophy is called the Advaita or Advaita Siddhanta? Who introduced Advaita Siddhanta? Options: Ramanujacharya, Nagarjuna, Vasumitra, Shankaracharya. The right answer is Shankaracharya. Fifth question. Who was the author of Aihole inscriptions? Or who depicted the inscription of Aihole? Options: Huensang, B. Bharavi, C. Ravikirti, D. Dandin. Aihole inscriptions was depicted by Ravikirti. The right answer is Ravikirti. Sixth, Prophet Muhammad was born in the year 560 AD, 570 AD, 575 AD, 550 AD. Yes, the right answer is 570 AD. Whose period is known as gold coinage? Pulakeshi II, Pulakeshi I, Vikramaditya I, Vinayaditya. The right answer is Pulakeshi II. Who was the founder of Chalukyan dynasty? Vishnuvardhana, Pulakeshi I, Kirtivarman I, Pulakeshi II. The right answer is Pulakeshi I. Kaumudi Mahotsava is written by Sudraka, Vajjika, Vishakadatta, Kamandaka. The right answer is Vajjika. Vajjika wrote Kaumudi Mahotsava. Who established first Islamic rule in India? Mir Qasim, Qutbuddin Aibak, Muhammad Ghazni, Muhammad Ghori. The right answer is Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori established first Islamic rule in India. The Chishtiya Sufi order was established in India by Khwaja Badruddin, Khwaja Muhyiddin, Sheikh Ahmad Shri Hindi, Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria. The right answer is Khwaja Muhyiddin. 12th. Who was the founder of Pushyabhuti dynasty? Pushyabhuti, Prabhakarvardhan, Adityavardhan, Harshavardhana. So the right answer is Pushyabhuti. The royal symbol of Guptas was Nandi, snake, Garuda, lion. The right answer is Garuda. Garuda was the royal symbol of Guptas. Who was the Guru of Kabir? Guru Nanak, Ramanujacharya, Shankaracharya, Ramanand. Yes, the right answer is Ramanand. Ramanand was the Guru of Kabir. The early Pallava royal inscriptions are in which language? Prakrit or Telugu language, Tamil or Sanskrit language, Prakrit or Sanskrit language, Tamil or Kannada language. The right answer is option C, Prakrit or Sanskrit language. Pulakeshi II defeated Harshavardhana on the bank of river Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari. The right answer is option A, Narmada. Pulakeshi II defeated Harshavardhana on the bank of river Narmada. Who performed Ashwamedha Yajna among Chalukyan kings? Pulakeshi I, Pulakeshi II, Vishnuvardhana, Kirtivarman I. The right answer is Pulakeshi I. Pulakeshi I performed Ashwamedha Yajna among Chalukyan reign or Chalukyan king. Who is the founder of Gupta dynasty? Options: Chandragupta, Chandragupta Maurya, Samudragupta, Sri Gupta. The right answer is Sri Gupta. Sri Gupta is the founder of Gupta dynasty. Who wrote the commentary on Vedanta Sutras in Sanskrit? Options: Ramananda, Tulsidas, Laleshwari, Vallabhacharya. The right answer is Vallabhacharya. Vallabhacharya wrote the commentary on Vedanta Sutras in Sanskrit. Who made Ujjain as his second capital among Guptas? Samudragupta, Ashoka, Sri Gupta, Chandragupta II. The right answer is Samudragupta. Samudragupta made Ujjain as his second capital. Next question. The founder of Tughlaq dynasty was Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Nasruddin Muhammad Tughlaq. The right answer is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Tulsidas wrote Ramacharitamanasa during the reign of Jahangir, Ramaraya, Akbar, Krishnadevaraya. The right answer is option C, Akbar. Tulsidas wrote Ramacharitamanasa during the reign of Akbar. Which Tughlaq king was known as wisest fool? Not only fool, he was a wisest fool. Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, none of these. The right answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Who was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the Battle of Chandwar? Options: Prithviraj Chauhan, Mularaj Jaipala, Jayachandra. The option is, the right answer is Jayachandra. Option D, Jayachandra was defeated by Muhammad Ghori in the Battle of Chandwar. 25th question. During Firoz Shah Tughlaq, zakat was marriage system, taxation system, technique used in the battle, or name of land revenue officer. The right answer is option B, taxation system. Firoz Shah Tughlaq introduced zakat, called taxation system. 26th. Who translated the collection of South Indian tales into Sanskrit and named as Kathasarit Sagara? Options: Somdeva, Kalhana, Jayadeva, Shankaracharya. The right answer is Somdeva. 27th question. Who wrote Priyadarshika? Options: Bhanabhatta, Harshavardhana, Somdeva, Kalhana. The right answer is option B, Harshavardhana. Harshavardhana wrote Priyadarshika. 28th. Music system banned by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah, Balban, Akbar. The right answer is Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq banned music system during his rule. 29th question. Muhammad Ghazni plundered Somanath temple in Kathiawar in the year 1020 AD, 1025 AD, 1030 AD, 1029 AD. The right answer is option B, 1025 AD. Which was the capital of Alauddin Khilji? Options: Siri, Firozshabad, Aurangabad, Daulatbad. The right answer is Siri. Siri was the capital of Alauddin Khilji. 31st question. Sufi sect developed in the religion Hinduism, Jainism, Sikhism, Islam. The right answer is Islam. The Sufi sect developed in the Islam religion. Aihole inscriptions described about which ruler? Pulakeshi II, Pulakeshi I, Kharvela, Ashoka. The right answer is option A, Pulakeshi II. Aihole inscription described about Pulakeshi II. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from options: Delhi to Warangal, option B, Delhi to Devagiri, option C, Delhi to Madurai, option D, Delhi to Vijayanagar. Yes, the right answer is option B, Delhi to Devagiri. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. The original name of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was Ghazi Kafur, Ghazi Malik, Ghiyasuddin Turk, Ghazi Khan. The right answer is Ghazi Malik. Ghazi Malik was the original name of Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. The Second Battle of Tarain took place in the year 1392, 1292, 1192, 1492. The right answer is 1192. Option C, 1192 is the right answer. Mahabalipuram is an important city that reveals the interest of arts of Pallavas, Pandyas, Chalukyas, Cheras. The right answer is Pallavas. Which of the following dynasties ruled the Delhi Sultanate? Slave dynasty, Khalji and Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid and Lodi dynasty. Option D, all of these. Yes, the right answer is all of these. The first Tarain war took place in the year 1191 AD, 1196 AD, 1195 AD, 1198 AD. Yes, the right answer is 1191 AD. 39th question. Who was the founder of Lodi dynasty? Option A, Bahlol Lodi, Ibrahim Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Bahadur Lodi. The right answer is option A, Bahlol Lodi. The first expedition of Muhammad Ghori in 1175 was against Lahore, Multan, Sindh, Punjab. The right answer is option B, Multan. The first expedition of Muhammad Ghori in 1175 was against Multan. 41th. Huan Sang had visited the court of which ruler? Options: Harshavardhana, Ashoka, Pulakeshi II, Chandragupta Maurya. The right answer is Harshavardhan. Huan Sang visited the court of Harshavardhana. Who was the founder of slave dynasty? Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Qutbuddin Aibak, Razia Begum. The right answer is option C, Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty. Who wrote the work Nagananda? Options: Bhanabhatta, Somadeva, Pulakeshi II. Option D, Harshavardhana. The right answer is option D, Harshavardhana. Harshavardhana wrote the work Nagananda. The Chishtiya Sufi order was established by Khwaja Badruddin, Khwaja Muhyiddin, Sheikh Ahmad, Sheikh Bahuddin. The right answer is Khwaja Muhyiddin. What was the period of Qutbuddin rule? Or what was the period of rule of Qutbuddin Aibak? Options: Option A 1208 to 1212 AD. Option B 1210 to 1214 AD. Option C 1206 to 1210 AD. Option D 1220 to 1225 AD. The right answer is option C 1206 to 1210 AD. 1206 to 1210 AD was the period of Qutbuddin Aibak rule. 46th question. Who wrote Kadambari? Kalidasa, Faiyan, Banabhatta, Megasthenes. The right answer is Banabhatta. Option C, Banabhatta. Banabhatta wrote Kadambari. Who was the founder of Chalukyan dynasty? Vishnuvardhana, Pulakeshi I, Kirtivarman I, Pulakeshi II. Pulakeshi I was the founder of Chalukyan dynasty. Option B, Pulakeshi I was the right answer. 48. Who was the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate? Options: Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Balban, Alauddin Khilji. The right answer is option B, Iltutmish. Iltutmish was the first ruler of Delhi Sultanate. Who was the founder of Pallava dynasty? Options: Nandivarma, Skandhavarma, Simhavishnu, Vishnuvarma. The right answer is Simhavishnu. Simhavishnu was the founder of Pallava dynasty. A taxation system called Jizya or non-Muslim tax was introduced by which ruler? Options: Ghazi Malik, Nasruddin Shah, Firoz Shah Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. The right answer is Firoz Shah Tughlaq. A taxation system called Jizya or non-Muslim was introduced by Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Thank you guys.